One of the reasons I love Halloween so much is it's an occasion that you can really kick in your imagination. These are ghost maidens. But to make these, you want to be well prepared. I want you to wear gloves and long sleeves because the base of these, well, it's made from chicken wire. You can find these little tent stakes at discount stores, and they're very, well, essential because they pin the skirt down to the ground. Now, what's great about this is that you start out with this basic form. While these girls looked spooky enough without heads, I thought, well, why not use alumina pumpkin as a head? So what I started out with was a 1/2-inch piece of rebar and drove it into the ground. And then from here, I just attached some more cheesecloth in the form of a veil. At night, I'll be able to put a floodlight out here and just cast light across them, which will even bump up the spook factor even more. From the garden home, I'm Alan Smith.